Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lacrosse sticks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the STX Lacrosse Stallion 200 AM Complete Stick. The STX Lacrosse Stallion 200 is one of the premier lacrosse sticks available. It is an essential tool for anyone who wants to get to grips with lacrosse, while more experienced players will also find it suitable for training. The tonal memory marker graphics along the alloy handle help guide you towards the best grip position and give your game an extra dimension that could mean the difference between victory and crushing defeat. This makes it a lacrosse stick that delivers additional support, allowing players to train and improve as they play more effectively, rather than being thrown in the deep end. Moving on at number 4, we have the Warrior Evo Warp Next Lacrosse Stick. The Warrior Evo Warp is a complete lacrosse stick intended to help players develop better handling skills. While it comes game ready, it's not really for more advanced players but instead should be viewed as a developmental tool for budding attackers and midfielders. That said, the stick is nice and light, so it won't wear you down whether you're using it for prolonged practice sessions or in-game situations. The more focused than normal mesh pocket promotes proper throwing motion. You simply can't get off a good throw unless your fundamentals are sound. And that's a good thing. It will help you or your child develop skills in a sound manner that will pay long-term dividends. At number 3, we have the STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Complete Stick. The STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 is another excellent option for young players, and while it is perhaps most suitable as a training or practice stick, it will also perform well during proper games where the stakes are as high as the expectations. Inspired by the Elite Stallion 550 head, this lacrosse stick provides kids the confidence they need to feel like they are creating their own personal highlight reel. The forgiving response makes it easy to catch and cushion the ball before releasing it, and it will even allow them the option to dip and twist between their opponents should they see any opening in the defensive line. At number 2, we have the STX FiddleSTX Mini Super Power Lacrosse Stick. STX is one of the premier names in lacrosse equipment, and their FiddleSTX Lacrosse Stick 2-pack is a great idea for those just getting started in the sport. These are lightweight, well-balanced sticks that aren't so heavy they'll wear out a newcomer. Yet they're durable enough to stand up to the rigors of the sport and allow the beginner to acclimate themselves to handling, running and shooting with a lacrosse stick. Which is more difficult than it seems on paper. If you're an experienced lacrosse player, you'll know what works and doesn't work for you and want something more substantial. There's no doubt about that. But there's also no doubt that if you, or more likely your son or daughter, are just getting their feet wet in the sport, you'll want to be sure it's something they're genuinely interested in before you drop serious money. As such, the FiddleSTX is a great introductory stick. And finally, at number 1, we have the Maverick Lacrosse Charger Complete Lacrosse Stick. The Maverick Charger Complete Stick is another step up in performance and is ready to play right out of the box. It features a level 3 bottom rail for enhanced accuracy and power, a large catching surface, and narrow throat designed to enhance ball control while you're on the move. The pocket is pre-strung with competition-ready mesh, which more advanced players may want to tweak to their own liking, but which most will find more than satisfactory. The complete in the name refers to the fact that this is a shaft-head combination. Not just a head or a shaft. The shaft is fashioned from 6000 series aluminum, making it very durable but also giving it plenty of flexibility. It's 30 inches long, which means it's made for attackers and midfielders. The whole stick with head checks in at just over 40 inches in length. The Maverick Charger also features what the company calls grip zone technology, which sounds a bit hinky but actually provides a good grip in pretty much any conditions.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.